Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty. Today, our topic is how to learn data science. How we can learn data science. So, steps to help you get started. The steps which involve to learn data science and easy steps are learn the fundamentals. First, we have to learn the fundamentals. Then we have to choose a programming language. Later on I will elaborate it step by step. Learning of data visualization is also important. Practice with real data. We must have to practice with real data. Learn machine learning. Practice, and at last but not at least join any community. So learn the fundamentals. Start with the basic of statistics. Inshallah, we will make a video on it: statistic, linear algebra, and calculus. What are the fundamentals? We will make video on these, inshallah. These form the foundation of data science, and understanding them is crucial or very important. We have to learn about all these things like algebra, linear algebra, calculus, statistic. The second step is learn any programming language, but the most famous language is Python. So myself, I have chosen Python, but you can also choose as R or Python, any programming language. But Python is very easy, that's why I choose Python. And we must have to familiar with its syntax, data structure, and functions. Then we have to learn data visualization. Data visualization is very important aspect of data science. And data visualization, we learn about mean, median, standard deviation, F1 value, and many more things that show us that we learn from the data visualization, and that is the very important, very important to make our data in graphical form. After that, we have to practice with real data. Finding publicly available datasets. There are a lot of datasets which are available, and we have to practicing on that by data cleaning, data wrangling, and data analysis techniques that we call EDA. Later we will elaborate it step by step. And one of the most important website, that is Kaggle, is a great source for finding data sets and competition. And if you work on this, the steps which I previously told, and then you start competition, you can earn a lot of money and dollars and USA dollars. And the last one, machine learning is very important, because without machine learning, data science is the value of data science is not complete. For machine learning, we have to learn the basic like supervised, unsupervised, decision tree, random forest, and many techniques that involve. We have to learn about that. Inshallah, we will learn that. And practice. Practice man or woman perfect. Keep practicing your skills by working on real world problems, which I previously told you that for that you can join Kaggle and many more other communities. Like at last but not at least, that we have to join communities. Join online communities, attend meetups, and participate in forums to connect with other data scientists and learn from their experience. You have to learn from their experiences and also share your knowledge and experience. And that are the simple steps toward the data science. And inshallah, very soon you will become a data science. But it is a very difficult way, but not for impossible. It is possible and achievable. Inshallah, we will achieve it. Stay with us, and best of luck for you and also for me. Thank you for joining with us.